What's up, guys? Hope everyone out there is having a great day. Today is a very special day for me. Well, this is a very special video because if you didn't already know, my wide-body RSX Type S, which is right down there, the wide-body kit on my wide-body RSX is not painted. It was painted, but it was like, I just did it very quickly with like spray cans. I knew that I was going to be doing a wrap on the car. I was going to be doing color change on the entire car, complete color change. The black is cool, but I don't know. I just wanted something else. So today, what I'm going to be doing is, if you already saw, the front pieces of the wide body kit, the front over fenders, are stripped already. There's no paint on them. What I'm going to be doing today is doing the same thing to the rear quarter panels to get them ready for wrapping the car, because I'm going to be wrapping the entire car myself. Guys, I'm going to be doing an entire wrap. I'm going to teach myself how to do all of it, and I'm going to film the whole thing. And you guys are going to be with me on the journey as I take on one of the most ambitious things I've ever done. I don't know how it's going to go. I don't know what to expect. I could be really bad at it. I could be really good at it. I've never really rapped before, but it's always something that I've wanted to do, and I've wanted to challenge myself to do. And I just figured, why not do it? Alright, so I'm using acetone. I put it in a spray bottle, and I'm basically gonna spray it on and then use a brush to brush the acetone on the paint, and it's gonna basically strip the paint. Alright, so this is the finished product. Looks pretty good, considering I started with that. Now I have that. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up, but for the wrap, it's really important. I'm just going through, scraping off all these little tiny, like basically paint chips. Using my fingernail, because this is stuff that's going to show up under the wrap as little bumps. Alright, what's up, guys? So it's a couple days later. I'm back, and now the first thing that I have to do is I have to wash the car. And I'm not just going to like do a normal wash on the car. I've got to strip all of the wax or whatever I have on the paint off of the car and try to get as much of the contaminants out. This is probably the dirtiest my car has ever been in my entire life. It's pretty bad. Still got fitment though. I guess it's about time I show you guys the big reveal what color it is. Ready? Da 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 da! Oh. Da 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 da! This is it. The color's 3M Cosmic Blue. I really like this color. I've seen a couple other cars wrapped in this color. I know Fresh Kicks did his 350Z in this color. There's another person I know from Instagram named Josh Baru, or Joshu Baru. He has this color on his Subaru. It's just a really nice color. Let's see if I can show off some of the sparkles. Some of the flake. Get it out in the sunlight. Hopefully the camera picks that up. Really cool color. Alright, the car is in the garage. I think the first thing I'm going to start on is the fender here, because it's a relatively small part, surface, whatever you want to call it, and it's not going to be too hard to kind of get the works, get my grip on what I'm doing a little bit, and start to understand it. Let me just take off the over fender first. That was easy. Alright, so as you can see, I got the whole entire thing laid down. Now I just have to cut it. So I'm going to start here by the headlight. Alright, so I got this all done. Now I'm going to go straight ahead and do the over fender. Looks pretty good. I'm really impressed.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.